So it seems we have another smart star projector. We're going to check it out. This is from a company, I don't remember the name to be honest, but I'll throw it up in the description if you decide to purchase. So pretty standard, you have smart app control, the light itself, speaker, remote control, voice control mode, and automatic timer. These are the smart home apps that you can download. So you have Smart Life and the Tuya app itself. All right, so we have the user manual, very clear instructions in different languages. You have the remote here. So you have the LED on, the laser on and off, the RGB white, the music section here. You have two different types of fades, 2 timers, 2 different speeds, motion, laser light, and the brightness, as well as the music, power on and off. These do take 2 AAA batteries, so you have a power cable, USB Type-C to USB-A, pretty standard. You have a wall adapter, or you can have it powered from any USB port. So that's that. Right here you have the star projector itself. So here's the star projector. So you have the laser light, dome, speaker, USB port, brightness, different buttons. So you have a play, pause, volume up and down, and a Bluetooth button. Here is the IR receiver itself as well. You have the input for power, Wi-Fi on and off, and the other end of the speaker. These do have feet on the bottom, rubber, pretty standard. So pretty sure you've seen many of these. They're basically the same. Pretty sure one company makes them and then just sells them in bulk to many other companies, because the same exact packaging. I've done 2 or 3 of the same exact boxes with the same exact apps, controllers, everything. Let's go ahead and plug it into power, and we'll go ahead and set it up on the app. I already have the smart home app downloaded. It's very simple to set up, so you just log in or sign up. I think I already have an account. Then we go ahead and press add device, add device. We're gonna go to lighting, and it should be down here. I'm gonna look in the manual just to see what it says. So first we have to turn it on, put it into Wi-Fi mode.
Bluetooth mode.
All right, so we're gonna go down to lighting Wi-Fi, which should be up here. Yeah, so light source BLE plus Wi-Fi, make sure it's on. Now you're gonna go ahead and flash this. So you're gonna go on, off 3 times until it starts flashing. Just like that. We're gonna go ahead and press blinking, do your Wi-Fi, and then it'll start to pair itself. So it's very simple to set up. All right, there we go. So you can rename it if you want to. I'm not going to. I will also get the remote here and put some batteries. There we go. You can change the brightness, and there is, I don't know if you can hear it, but there is like a little buzzing sound in here. I don't know if it's because it's rotating, but it's just a light buzz sound. You change the scene, color, and white. It's kind of lagging right now. There we go. Color, scene, there we go. So you have tons of scenes there. So the app is lagging right now. Not very common. You have a timer, on and off button. All right, so that's the app. I personally wouldn't use the Wi-Fi version, but if you wanted to tell your assistant to turn it on and off, then you can do that within the app. So you can change colors and stuff like that very easily. Let's go and turn off the spin if it'll work. I don't think it has power.
Bluetooth mode.
And you can't use Wi-Fi and the remote at the same time. You either do basically the remote off or the app. So you do have an extra USB port so you can charge your phone as a nightstand, but if you want to see it for yourself, you can. Just wait for the end of the video. All right, so taking a look at some of the modes here, we have red, and these do have like a forward and backward spin for the direction. You can change the colors, you can mix the colors, which does basically both the colors at the same time. You can do stars and the colors. Stars just by themselves. This is just the mixture right here for the example. As you can see, so you have red, white, blue, red, green, blue, yellow, red, green mixture, and then a bit of all of that. So just a little bit of mixtures. It doesn't have like full actual colors on there. Some of them you can find, but this one is just very basic, and you can basically do some of them. The white is pretty bright though, so I give it that. Thank you for watching.